another question on the board.
Yeah, okay.
Shalom Rav, can one violate land laws that are permissible in Torah? For example, some countries have national firewalls to block information from other countries. Is one allowed to use VPN to break through the firewall?
So the law of the country is not to, so it's firewall, country, company or country?
Country. Like the country prevents
country, yeah. I mean, it could be like, it's a very good question. It's not such an easy question. So if you live in that country, you have to abide by the laws of the country, unless they go against the laws of the Torah. So if they say, for example, they want to keep secrets. So for example, I don't know, like I'm not big VPN specialist, even though I used to use VPN. So maybe, of course, VPN is a point-to-point contact, right? So maybe there is somebody took over that facility, and they're going to penetrate through my VPN, through open link, and they're going to do some damage. I don't know. So that's what country I had in mind, the way I understand, and they said absolutely not. You're not allowed to go through the fire. But somebody, like on Azkan, somebody built this link through the fire. It's not like you breaking in, right? I don't know. So I would say don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because again, it does not contradict the laws of the Torah. If something like they would say against the Torah, yes, you would not be allowed to do this. But since you live in the country, you have to respect their laws. Okay, so especially taxes. So people don't like to pay taxes. Me neither. But you want to live in this country, pay the taxes. You don't like the laws, so you think they're crazy, they're greedy, this and that. Okay, go to another place. Nobody's stopping you. Okay, what else?
Hello?
Yes.
Sorry, I was actually working and I'm in a cab right now, going back home. Okay. I was listening to this last question, and I was wondering, so would it be against the halacha to, let's say, work illegally in a country that we're not allowed to work at?
So I mean, see the way I see it, right? So when you do something illegal in a country, so you put your life in danger. So some country crazy, you VPN, as you said, to I don't know, to Germany, to France, whatever. So they're going to come to you and say that you're a spy. You sold all of the secrets. Okay, go prove whatever that you were checking your emails on your company server. Let's say, right? So they're going to make a big deal out of you and put you 20 years in prison or maybe kill you in some crazy countries. So you put your life in danger? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So when it's about Torah matters is one thing, but here is nothing to do with the Torah. You understand? So you put yourself in the harm's way. Of course, the country that they're looking like for the spies, for this penetration. It's like it's not like sleeping. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So what about countries like the United States that in case someone gets caught working illegally, the worst scenario, the person just get deported? Does it still apply to countries like this?
I think so, yes. So unless a person have no choice, and he cannot stay in that country, wherever, if he's going to go back to his country, they're going to kill him. They're going to do many bad things to him. So he has no choice, and he has no papers in the United States, let's say, right? And he life risks to go back. So of course he would be allowed to work. I mean, because he has to live. Right, so when there's a choice between life and death, so of course we choose life. I'm going to break the country law, so I'm going to break the country law, but it has to be to minimal amount. Right. Okay. Yes, welcome. What else?